Truhan, founder of the Art of Home team here in Denver. We are a small team of 5 full-service realtors who help people buy and sell in Denver, Colorado, and we also work a little bit up the Front Range. We're standing here in front of one of the homes that we just staged and got under contract with multiple offers in just 3 days, which is really exciting for the sellers. Come on in, I'll show you around. So we're about 3 months into COVID. It seems like maybe it's been 3 years for a lot of people. It has been really rough, and I think it's starting to smooth out a little bit more. In the very beginning, we had quite a few buyers who had to back off from their searches. Unfortunately, they lost jobs, no longer qualified, had to just pause their home search for a while. And then we had some folks who had lending guidelines change on them. There was a lot of back and forth with FHA loans. Different loan programs were sort of changing. What worked for them before COVID no longer worked for them after COVID. Lenders really tightened guidelines. So once we worked through that, things tended to smooth out a little bit more. There was a while where realtors were essential one day, and then the next day we were not essential, and then we were essential. So it was kind of a roller coaster of whether we could meet clients, whether we could do showings, even with safeguards, and whether we could work at all. So just getting through that was kind of a challenge. So we've been reaching out to a lot of our clients throughout COVID. One of the ways we have adapted is, of course, keeping listings clean. We have had stagers that will only work with vacant properties. We've had to make sure that we have a mask and gloves and good guidelines in place, good sanitizer, that we're cleaning homes in between showings. And then we also make sure when we're out with buyers that we're following those guidelines out of courtesy to the sellers and the listing agents. We've also been hearing from a lot of our clients that maybe their home doesn't work for them anymore. I'm not saying they don't like the partner they were quarantined with for 3 months, but we are finding people are ready for a change, and we're more than happy to help them with those changes if it makes sense. Some of them just wanted a bigger bathroom for a bidet. Some of them wanted a new kitchen. Some of them wanted to move out of the city. So our requests to show mountain properties have actually tripled. A lot of people are looking outside the city, either for a getaway place or just a little more room to grow, or they just need something different. So I think people are reassessing their housing needs, and we're doing what we can to help them adapt to whatever's next in their lives. We also try to go above and beyond with every listing. We try to incorporate a little bit of local art. So right behind me, I have some art by Kenny B, who has done the seed catalog illustration art of several different Denver neighborhoods. We have 77 Denver neighborhoods, and he's done probably 3/4 of them with really cool illustrations about each one. So we always try to bring in a little bit of local flair and make our listings a little more fun to tour. And we hope that that really helps our sellers get multiple offers. We think it does work for them, and we have a lot of fun doing it. So give us a call if we can help you. So we are here to help you if you have any real estate needs. We love helping buyers and sellers. We work with first-time buyers, move-up buyers, and we love helping people sell at any stage of their life. We care a lot about our clients, and I like to think that we go above and beyond most realtors by doing full-service staging and really adding a lot of those little touches that are going to help you get multiple offers. Or if you're a buyer, it's going to help you actually win against 5 other offers. So give us a call. We'd love to help you with your next move.